I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to mute the menu sounds on this TV. So the menu sounds are basically this sound that you hear as you navigate. Those sounds. Okay, so go to settings and then all settings and then go to sound and then go to export settings and then you should see sound feedback. Now it's currently set to low. It could be higher or you can turn it off completely, and that's how to mute the menu sound or the sound feedback of your Samsung Smart TV. So now as you navigate, the TV is completely quiet. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.